In this video, we're going to look at expanding brackets when you've got a coefficient of x greater than 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to first of all multiply 2x times 5x. We're going to do that on the side here. 2x times 5x. Well, 2 times 5 is 10. X times x is x squared. Then we're going to do 2x times minus 1, which is minus 2x. The third step, 3 times 5x. So 3 times 5x goes here, which is 15x. And then 3 times minus 1, which is the fourth step. So 3 times minus 1, which is minus 3. So we end up with 10x squared minus 2x plus 15x. And then we end up with minus 3. So here we get 10x squared. Then 15x minus 2x is 13x. And then we get minus 3. Here's a question for you to try. You can pause the video, and when you're done, I will go through my work solution. Okay, welcome back. So what we're going to do is, first of all, do 3x times 5x as our first step. So 3x times 5x, that will give me 3 times 5 is 15, x times x is x squared. Then our second step is 3x times 2. So 3x times 2 like so, that will give me 6x. Then my third step is minus 4 times 5x. That will give me minus 20x. Then we've got minus 4 times 2 as the fourth step. So minus 4 times 2, which is minus 8. So this will give me 15x squared minus 20x plus 6x minus 8. So 15x squared. Now think about this. So we're going to start from minus 20, minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16, minus 15, and minus 14. So we start from minus 20 here, and we're going to add 6 spaces. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we end up at minus 14. So we get minus 14x, and then we get a minus 8. Now we're going to go through our last example. Sometimes you get questions like this. So what this means is, when you've got 5x plus 4 all squared, it means you do 5x plus 4 times 5x plus 4. You just write it out twice. So we know our first step, we're going to do 5x times 5x, which is 25x squared. So we've got 25x squared there. Then we're going to do the second step, 5x times 4, which is 20x, 4 times 5x for the third step, which will also give us 20x. And then we do 4 times 4 for the fourth step, which is 16. So what I end up with is 25x squared plus 20x plus 20x again plus 16. So we end up with 25x squared. 20x plus 20x is 40x. And then we get plus 16. Here's a question for you to try. You can pause the video, and when you're done, I will go through my work solution. Okay, welcome back. So we've got 3x minus 5 times another 3x minus 5. And the first step we're going to do is 3x times 3x. So we do 3x times 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. So we get a 9x squared here. The second step is going to be 3x times minus 5, which is minus 15x. And then we get minus 5 times 3x, which is minus 15x. And then we get minus 5 times minus 5, which is going to be positive 25. So we end up with 9x squared minus 15x again, plus 25. So we get 9x squared. Now minus 15x is minus 30x plus 25 is the solution.